Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to teach you a topic Ganga and Brahmaputra Basin. Ganga and Brahmaputra Basin is located in northern and eastern part of India. It is formed by two major rivers, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Now let's begin with life in Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. The tributaries of rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. It lies in subtropical region. Tributaries of river Ganga like Ghagra, Son, Chambal, Gandak, Kosi and tributaries of river Brahmaputra drain it. Himalayan mountains and Sundarbans delta are the main features of this basin. It has monsoon climate. Summers are hot and winters are cool. Mountain areas are less populated as compared to plain areas. Density of population of the plains is high. Now, what is density? It means the number of persons that live in 1 square kilometer of area. In plains, soil is fertile, good for growing crops. So agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Main crop is paddy that requires sufficient water and it is grown in the areas where the amount of rainfall is high. Wheat, maize, gram, millets are other crops grown here. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown. Tea is grown in the plantation of West Bengal and Assam. Silk is produced in Bihar and Assam. In mountains, steps are made on the slopes and crops are grown on terraces. These terraces are built on steep slopes to create flat surfaces to grow crops. In Ganga-Brahmaputra plains, deciduous trees grow. In delta area of West Bengal, mangrove forests are found. In Sikkim, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh, coniferous trees like pine, deodar can be seen. There is variety of wildlife in the basin. Elephants, tigers, deer, monkeys are common. One-horned rhino is found in Brahmaputra plain. Bengal tiger, crocodiles and alligators in delta area. Rohu, katla, hilsa fish are found in Bay of Bengal. Rice and fish is the staple diet of the people living in the area. Ganga-Brahmaputra plain has several big towns and cities. Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, Kolkata are the main cities. Network of roadways and railways is good in this plain. Waterways is an effective means of transport along the rivers. Important port is Kolkata on Hooghly River. The plain has large number of airports. Tourism is an important activity on the basin. Taj Mahal on the bank of river Yamuna in Agra. Buddhist stupas in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Kaziranga and Manas wildlife sanctuaries are some places of worth seeing. There are various industries like silk, cotton, and tech industries. Water of river Ganga has been polluted due to the disposal of industrial and urban waste into the river. High amount of chemicals in this are killing various water species. To conserve the river Ganga, Namami Ganga program has been initiated. It was started to clean and protect the river Ganga. It was approved by our union government in June 2014, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. To achieve universal sanitation, our Prime Minister also launched Swachh Bharat Mission on 2nd October 2014. Students, now I am going to share a map of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Do this map in your homework copy, and after seeing both the tutorials of this lesson, try to do the question answers in your homework copy. Now, in the end, I want to share with you that slowly everything is coming on track, such as schools, theaters, and restaurants are opening. Have faith on God, and after following some precautions, we will surely win this corona war. Now I want to also get promise from your side that we will also help our Prime Minister in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and to clean the river Ganga. Thank you for listening.